Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Indonesian immigration. This kind of dovetails a little bit with Thai immigration. We'll get into it in a minute. I do occasionally make videos about the countries kind of surrounding Thailand here in ASEAN especially, because a lot of folks that come to Thailand often vacation or they're sort of digital nomads or whatever. They're moving around. There's kind of interaction. There's some relevant points, data points, if you will, to be had by those who aren't coming to Thailand. I think it can provide some insight to folks who are looking to travel around the regions, why we do the videos from time to time. I thought of making this video after reading a recent article, actually from reading a recent comment on our channel, quoting directly, Ben, I think they meant sure. Ben, I'm sure you've been following this similar news in upcoming decree in Bali, where the Bules, and that's B-U-L-E apostrophe S, full disclosure, I've never been in Indonesia. I don't know the lingo and things down there. In Bali, where the Bules or Farangs are, and that's Thai for foreigner, are going out of control and disrupting the Balinese folks. Complete disregard for the law regarding motorbikes, overstay, and violating tourist visas by working. Seems like both Thailand and Indonesia have had it. Well, look, they've always had these issues. Thailand especially has always been very concerned about foreigners taking Thai jobs, and other countries are very concerned about people coming to their country and taking jobs. There's no doubt about this. And honestly, if Bali, as they say in this comment, is having issues with unruly foreigners or whatever, well, you can bet there's probably going to be a crackdown. Most folks don't like people not from their country coming to their country and causing disruption. So interesting to note that Indonesia seems to be taking a tough stance with regard to immigration. I have to be honest with you, I think this is part of an overarching trend. I expect immigration matters throughout ASEAN to get tighter as years progress. And I think the reason for this is there's going to be financial issues in other countries. You're going to see a lot of folks looking to expatriate in the longer term. And I think that many of these countries are going to be looking at that and saying, well, look, we need to manage that. We need to bring in, I always think of the film Harry Potter, where they're talking about the Sword of Gryffindor, and it's also a book too. I'm well aware of that, but the Sword of Gryffindor, where they say it only takes in that which makes it stronger. In many ways, that is sort of the motto, if you will, of immigration. They don't want people who are going to disrupt their country. They don't want people who are going to bring down their country or going to hold them back. They want people who are dynamic. They want people who are going to come in, do business, or just add to the local economy. For example, retirees are a good example of that. Be it Indonesia, be it Thailand, it's clear that many immigration officials feel that way. And quite honestly, as foreigners in the region, it's on us to essentially comply with that.